Hello everybody, I hope all of you are doing great. Today I bring a short, this is a short video as I discussed earlier, and this is demanded by a lot of students, so that they said that why don't you make videos on the subject, why you make a general videos. So today I bring the video of my subject, that is accounting. So this is a very basic video that those students who want to know what is accounting. So accounting is a systematic way that you record your transaction of two sides. Normally transactions are recorded only for a single side, but accounting is a system you record the transaction on both sides. What goes out, what comes in, and what goes out normally is credit, what comes in is debit, but it also depends on which type of head you are dealing. So accounting building is made on 5 pillars. Number one is asset, number two is liability, number three is proprietorship or equity, number four is your expenses, and number five is your income. So you have to debit either one of these five, and you have to credit either one of these five by recording the transaction. So all the accounting is based on these things, and based on these debit credits you extract all the reports and everything to the higher management. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, please write in your comments, and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.